In this session, we are going to learn how we can restrict a document for comments only. Let's start. Go to File, Info, Protect Document, Restrict Editing, Editing Restrictions, and select Comments. Start enforcing protection. It will ask a password. This password is required to remove the restriction. Okay, close the box. Now let's try to edit something. I am trying to write my name. No, that's not happening. Look, here you can see a message that you cannot make this change because the selection, sorry, message is disappeared. But yeah, the message was that you cannot edit it. You cannot make the change. Okay. Now, what I can do, I can just put comments here. So let us try to put comments. Right click, new comment, comment one. Okay. So yes, I can put the comment here. So such kind of feature is important when you have created a document and you want to send to your colleagues for review and comments only. Okay. Now how to remove the restriction? Go in the search bar, click on restrict editing. Okay. You will get this message in best action. Just click there. Okay. The restrict editing box will open. Go to stop protection. Click. You had put some password. I told you that this password will be required to remove the restriction. Put that password, say OK, untick this and close the box. Now you can edit the document. Now I'm trying to edit it. So that's it in this video.